Okay, here is the screencast of the video that I made for my class. It's actually going to be in student view. So we're going to watch the video to see that actually students can't skip. Please enjoy this video about the human development.
My friends hate me because of my what if questions, because I always say what if, and
they aren't able to skip ahead because it's locked.
I'm like, well, why are you asking?
When the questions come, they are required to answer the questions, and the due date is actually on the 12th, is what I set it for, so they cannot actually skip ahead.
But that's what I think about when I can't sleep. I was like, man, what if this, or what if that, or how do they know that, you know?
What if I was a dog? What would I do all day? I mean, seriously, we have the best life, we can't go wrong, Humans are like totally, we go to school. Dogs just kind of like sit at home all day and just kind of like wait.
When teenagers ponder interesting questions, they are demonstrating a significant development in their cognition. During adolescence, they begin to think more abstractly and are able to use the principles of logic in coming to conclusions. These are skills they'll need as they face the increasingly complex problems and far-reaching decisions that will be part of their lives as adults.
So now they have to answer the questions. They can submit. Okay, and then they click continue, and they can keep going.
Whether it's a mathematical equation, personal dilemma, or just figuring out what fashion statement to make, wrestling with problems and making decisions is a large part of being an adolescent. Fortunately, as adolescents grow up, they develop the ability to engage in more complex and sophisticated types of thinking and reasoning. This is an important leap toward assuming their place in society as adults.
Adolescents are terrific because they're changing all the time. They're smart.
So there's my comment. Listen to what the psychologist has to say about you.
They're inquisitive. They're thinking. They're feeling. They're talking to each other. They're questioning everything. It's the most exciting time of life because adolescents trust us with all the important questions in life. They're questioning what matters. They're questioning meaning. They're asking the questions about religion and spirituality, about how to be a good person as part of the world, about ecology, about how to get along with people who are different from themselves, about what do I look like, about how should I eat for good nutrition, about love and sex. They are asking all the important questions in life, and they want to talk to us as adults.
So we'll just click on like what a student and continue. The video is about to end. And there you have it. They completed their lesson.